Mortarion, also known as the Death Lord, the Pale King, or the Reaper of Men, was one of the original 20 Primarchs. He was given command of the Death Guard Legion on the arrival of the Emperor to his world of Barbarous, but turned to the forces of Chaos during the Horus Heresy. At present, Mortarion is the greatest Demon Prince of Nurgle and the Demon Primarch of the Death Guard Chaos Space Marines. He recently returned to Imperial space for the first time in 10,000 standard years, when he led the forces of the Plague God in the invasion of the realm of Ultramar during the Plague Wars. The Chaos Space Marines, also known as Traitor Marines, Chaos Marines, Heretic Astartes, or Traitor Legionnaires, are counted among the most favoured and powerful servants of the powers of Chaos. 10,000 years ago, Horus, War Master of the Imperium and most trusted son of the Emperor, fell to Chaos due to a conspiracy by the Wordbearers. Besides the Space Marine Legion under his direct command, the sons of Horus, 8 of his brother Primarchs and their legions also joined him in the Horus Heresy against the Emperor. Only when Horus was slain at the ultimate conflict of the heresy, the Battle of Terra, was the rebellion broken, and the defeated traitor legions hounded into the Eye of Terror, which remains both their prison and sanctuary to this day. The Chaos Space Marines have not forgotten their defeat in the heresy, and for the last 10,000 years have waged the long war against the Imperium. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.